Here we are at Egham station level crossing in Surrey with JM trains and train level 123. And Adam. There we go. Time now is 20:51 on Saturday the 23rd of September 2017. And this is for your slightly delayed 2046 to 1 Whiskey 30 Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. And also for your 2054 expected 2053 2 Sierra 63 Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Weybridge.
Right, I'm presuming by the alarm cutting out that it's an MCB, but what kind
It is.
of MCB is
It's an MCB CCTV at Egham station.
But yeah, it's a nice crossing actually.
I'll put the camera on if you want.
You might be lucky, you might get some 707s.
I doubt that. We're going to Pooley Green next, and then we're going to that last one. We're going to Isleworth, Strawberry Hill, Hampton Court tonight as well.
Oh, it is. The 707's officially...
Right, here it is. Here's a Weybridge train coming in. And the 53 from Weymouth to Waterloo's on its way as well.
Does anyone know if the 707s are actually in service?
707s?
707s are in service.
I thought they got rid of them.
Does anyone know what's happening with the 377-5 Electrostars? Are they still with Thameslink or 700s or over network now only?
377 Mark 5s are going to...
South Eastern? Have they all gone or something?
They're going.
Oh, they're going. Oh, okay. So it's a bit like Great Northern then.
I like the way they've changed it. I wonder if this will be the new livery Southwestern Railway, Michael. Oh, there's a 458 just pulled into platform.
Have you got one of the new Desis yet?
I've not yet. I know it's 440, isn't it?
Yeah, until they get another one painted.
Yeah, hopefully this is going to be the one. There's obviously, it probably would be very unlikely to see it, wouldn't it?
I don't know, you've got a one in however many...
along that line.
No, there you go then. Otherwise you'd have
Here it comes.
whatever chance. Depending on how many 444s...
This is going to be coming through quick.
See if I can get the class 707 diagram.
Right, here it is. We've got... This is going fast.
What?
44024! 44024 to 44023 to London Waterloo and 458520.
Oh, nice. Moving simultaneously.
458520 with a bit of graffiti on the back to Weybridge.
Oh.